I hate talking.
Work business, 핵심 섭외 일스니 악진 반칙 마이크 번지 black 번진 난
Hello there. Hi. What's good? What's good, guys? Welcome to the weirdest and happiest place on YouTube. Today, I'm bringing back my glam bougie-esque side. Totally in for the new year. Make it shine, you know. Tory victorious. Please get the reference. If you use the internet, which you probably do because you're watching this, you've seen Faux around. And if you've been watching my videos, you know Faux is my thing. And over the time, I've collected quite a few colors of Faux along with like different styles and everything, and I always get questions on how to style them and how you can like dress them up and dress them down. Also, I just thought this was such a fun video because I haven't seen it around much, and most of the time I do go blank and I don't know what to wear. It's obviously gonna be like a focal point of your outfit. It's gonna be like the statement. Also, guys, oh my god, hi, I'm Riya. It'd be really cool if you would probably kind of sort of want to subscribe. Only if you want to, but you should totally. And if you like styling videos, if you like Faux, if you like any of the outfits I wore, just give this video a thumbs up so I know. It takes like 2 seconds. So let's get started. Before we start, I just want to like butt in for a second. I was editing this video and okay, my hair is just not plain today. The video is just way too long to fit into one single video. Like it was like 40 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is split the video into 2. And this video is just gonna be the styling tips and what looks good and what doesn't look good with fur. And my next video, which will be out sometime this week, is actually gonna be a lookbook inspired by fur coats and fur outfits. So that'll be more like outfit inspiration. So be on the lookout for that. You can expect it anytime this week. Before we move on to what not to wear, I just want to mention that fashion has no rules. So if you think something looks good, just go ahead and wear it. This is just what I think, what I try to avoid. So if you want to play it safe, you can follow this, but honestly, just do what you think looks good. My laptop keeps like... Anyway, let's get started. Anything that's completely sequined, floral, fuzzy or knit sweaters, linen, velvet, just because it's already got its own texture going on. It's the same story with lace. You don't want your outfit to just be too much. Denim is one of the most basic and personally one of my favorite ways to style any outfit. Any fur coat or accessories for sure to look fabulous with a plain white top and denim jeans. The top that I'm wearing is a white knit top from Bershka and my ripped jeans are from Brandy Melville. Along with that, I paired this cotton candy colored fur coat. It's pink, it's cool, it pops. It's very summery and I love how it looks. But you can also completely change the vibe of the outfit just by adding another coat. In this, I'm just wearing this black coat that's kind of like shaggy. If classy is more your style, don't worry because fur coats are here to save you. Just by adding on this dusty pink long collared fur coat, it completely changed the look of this outfit and it just looks so much more refined and like you have your whole life together, which obviously I don't. It's a great way to style your outfit if you want to add a fur coat just for a casual night out. I'm just wearing a dark wash denim skirt with a mesh top and it looks so cute together. Recently, dainty little necklaces have been my favorite thing and they look so good with denim. Satin is one of my absolute favorite fabrics ever and it looks so super bougie and glam with fur. For the first outfit, I went monochrome. I'm gonna talk about that later, but I'm just wearing this pajama style satin romper from Misguided and I just paired it with my pink fur coat. If you happen to have a cropped fur coat, it happens to look amazing with long length satin gowns. It's my favorite combination ever. So cute, so vintage. Recently, fur accessories are very trendy. They have been everywhere. So I'm just going to show you all some ways I like to style my fur stoles just with a plain simple satin dress. Along with that, I also show you all how I style my fluffy shoes and bags.
Tried to hide, that tingling inside was gone. And when he asked
This outfit can also be glammed up by adding this white fur coat and this pearl necklace. It kind of reminds me of like Veronica and Betty style.
To tell him that my heart grows colder with each day. When you
This is what I like to call my brunch meets Scream Queens outfit. A great way to wear fur coats is to pair them with like fitted skirts. Here I'm just wearing this pastel blue one from Forever 21. It's a steal, I know. But with that I also added some thigh-high white socks for the extraness, and obviously my white fur jacket which just ties it all in together.
Broken window, so I'm sorry about the breeze. Born in 94, car from 93. My first car.
If you can't think of anything, you can always rely on a black on black outfit with a little pop of color. So yeah, I'm just wearing my mesh black top with these like tie up, lace up jean jegging things with my blue bougie fur coat from Meshki. This is my favorite thing in the world. Looks so good, and I totally wear this outfit everywhere. Like I've said before in this video, I love doing fur coats with monochrome looks. It just looks so classy and high fashion. Here I'm wearing this romper from H&M. It's very cute and dainty with these kind of knee-high boots that I lace up. A real badass vibe. I feel like a kind of crow in this outfit, but it's cute, okay? This is what I like to call my super cute bubblegum princess outfit, and I'm again pairing it with my pink fur coat and just this super cute pink skater dress. It's like a go-to outfit, super simple but looks so cute. Again with all black, but I know no one can get enough of black, right? Anyway, so I'm again just wearing the same outfit as the blue fur coat, but I just added my black fur coat over here, and it just makes it look so like grunge. I don't know, it totally, you get what I'm saying, it completely changes the style. If you want to be a little more dressy and cute, a plain white dress is the way to go. Personally, I love bodycon with fur coats because they're so oversized, it just gives you a bit more shape. Here I paired it with my blue fur coat and also with my blush pink one. Both of them are so classy. These are all my styling tips, but if you want some outfit inspiration, be on the lookout for a brand new video this week. It's gonna be a lookbook and it's gonna be amazing. And that was the video, guys. I still haven't learned how to stop playing with my hair, but I just want to say that if you've made it so far, you might as well just subscribe because we're like friends now, right? Like, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I love it. I haven't even filmed it yet, but I already loved it. That's like how excited I am. Should I like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Work best now 핵심 섭외 els니 맞춤 많지 않지 이 클래스 같은 만개 동향의 악준.
Just so you all know, I completely shifted my bed to the other side so I could have like this whole wall for y'all, only for y'all.